Let's say you run a website featuring homemade pizza recipes, and you'd like an extra side of SEO. Now, before you start piling on the topics, you can instead take advantage of the ultra easy to use Mangools KWFinder tool to find the perfect topic-based keywords for your website. Here's our step-by-step tutorial on how to use the tool. Begin your SEO adventure at mangools.com, where you'll find KWFinder amongst several other top-notch SEO tools. Sign in or quickly and easily create an account. You can sign up for an account completely free, which you can use for as long as you'd like. And when you feel like stepping up your SEO game, there's a brand new, super affordable entry plan. After logging in, navigate to the search bar at the center of the KWFinder page. Now, input your topic. Instead of a specific keyword, input a broader topic tied to your niche. For our homemade pizza recipe site, let's simply go with pizza recipes. Now launch your keyword quest by hitting the Find Keywords button. KWFinder will unveil a rich list of keywords aligned with your topic. We can also see vital metrics like keyword difficulty and search volume, which will help us decide which keywords are right for us. Remember, focusing on low keyword difficulty keywords can be a strategic move, especially if your domain is still growing in authority. Now it's time to filter and fine-tune. If the keyword ocean seems too vast, or if you have specific targets in mind, employ the filter options. Say you want keywords with low keyword difficulty or high search volume, or maybe those containing particular terms. Filtering isn't just about trimming down. It's about homing in on what's best for your website. Did you find an intriguing keyword? Click on Analyze SERP to venture into our SERPChecker tool. Understanding the Search Engine Results page, or SERP, will offer key insights such as keyword relevancy, ranking difficulty, and ranking opportunities. Moreover, by examining what's currently ranking, you can gauge the type of content you need to prepare on the perceived keyword intent. This deep dive not only educates you about the top ranking content for that keyword, but also arms you with strategies to navigate the competitive waters effectively. Once you've unearthed promising keywords and decided which ones to target based on the results of the SERP analysis, you want to ensure that you save them for future strategy implementation. In order to create a keyword list, simply select the keywords of most interest to you and hit the Add to List button. This will save your keywords in KWFinder for future use in the Lists tab above. And there you have it, an invaluable list of topic-based keywords ready to enhance your SEO and consequently drive traffic to your site. Ready to level up your SEO game? If so, visit mangools.com and try KWFinder today.
With the Mangools toolset, you'll find everything you need to boost your site's performance. Begin with KWFinder, where you can search by topic or domain in order to easily identify high-potential keywords. Spot trends and assess search volume in order to select the best keywords with confidence. And once you find those perfect keywords, add them to a custom keyword list for future reference. Track your ranking progress by following the Mangools flow with SERP Watcher. It's more than just tracking. It's about real-time awareness. Monitor ranking for over 50,000 locations, and both mobile and desktop SERPs. Receive regular, detailed reports via email, and get alerted to crucial ranking changes. Gain a bird's-eye view of search engine results pages and understand the authority of top-ranking sites with SERPChecker. Discover valuable backlinks that bolster SEO with LinkMiner, and finally, get to know any website at a glance with Site Profiler. With its user-friendly toolset, Mangools makes SEO both easy and free. Create your free account and start boosting your site ranking today.
99% of Google searchers don't look beyond the first page. Shoot for the top of the page rankings with Mangools' free SEO tools.